Hey, welcome to Tech Advance, your one stop shop for all your tech needs. Let's get started. Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to unbox the Boschmann 4-channel car audio booster. It is fairly cheap, around 12,000. Yeah, and it is a 1300 watt booster. We're going to unbox it, and if you need any information, leave it in the comments, and if there's enough comments, I'll maybe do an in-depth look at it and answer your questions. So hope you have a great time and stay blessed.